In this video, we will be sending beacons, which are nothing but repeated broadcast messages that carry some information of general interest in the vicinity of the sender. Continuing from the last tutorial, we will now enable the RSUs to send the beacons to cars. Open the omnetpp.ini file in the workspace and under RSU settings, change the application.sendBeacons to true and select the interval between each beacon as 5 seconds. In this tutorial, once the car receives the beacon from the RSU, we want the car to stop for a certain duration and then continue on its path. In order to do that, we will change the commands in myvainsapp.cc file, which can be found in home, source, vains, modules, application, tracy, and myvainsapp.cc file. Open the file in the text editor. Under the onBSM loop, we paste the code which is mentioned in the description below. The BSM stands for Broadcast Safety Messages. Here, we will have to declare the hasStopped variable in myvainsapp.h file, which can be found in the Project Explorer. Under the protected variable declaration, declare it as bool has stopped. Once the change has been done, build the project by right-clicking on the project name, that is Hello World in the Project Explorer. Now, right-click on the initialization file and run as Omnet++ simulation. We can make the cars to either change the route when it receives a beacon or any other behavior. The necessary details about this can be found in the link mentioned in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel, The Defeated Engineer.